Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World, and I hope your weekend is going A-OK thus far. Me, I gotta work, but don't worry about me, just enjoy yourself. Now, for those of you all who didn't like watch face number one, the dress up watch face, and you want something a little bit more toned down, something a little bit more casual, then this is gonna be the watch face for you. Now, the name of the watch face is called Design 0311-1. Now, I like the look, I like the layout of all the information. The watch face definitely stands out. In the AOD mode, the background is going to be dimmed down quite a bit. It has a really nice look to it as well. But the theme of it all is pretty much going to look the same as if you had the watch face on. Now, with the watch face on, I do like the fact that you get the best of both worlds. You are going to get analog, and the analog hands look very fun, very nice. Up at the top, you are going to get your digital time in 24 hours, people, for those of you all who like 24 hours. Now, if you look to the left, you will get your date information. Over here is going to be your heart rate. Down at the bottom, you will get your step status info. Yes, you're in business here. For those of you all who are going to be exercising this weekend, this one is a must-have, all right? Now, you do get shortcuts with this one. This one is nice. Let's walk through it really quick just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this free watch face, all right? I'm going to tap at the bottom. I can go into my settings, tweak my watch, however I see fit. And if I tap right here, I can't go into Bixby. For those of you all who like Bixby, you're good. I'm just not one of those guys. And if I tap right here, I will be able to go in and get my weather. That's important to me. And if I tap up here, I can go into my music player. So if you're going to be on the run, you're going to be tight with this watch face, people. I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the download. So if you need to make a phone call, you can make a phone call here. And let's go down to one more. And you can also get your calendar, set an event. Listen, this watch face has everything you could possibly want and or need. And on top of it, people, who doesn't like free? All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. Hold on, hold up, right? I forgot about the little man right here. That guy is going to help you on your run and your walk, so you are never going to be alone. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I got to go. But I'll see you all again at the next video. Just make sure you hit the like button on the way out, because that does help the channel. And subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.